Let's go check it out. Cute little place.
Hey guys, we're not in Springfield, but we are at Homer's Donuts. Check out these donuts.
So we're home and we're gonna try these donuts, but I thought I'd give you a sneak peek of them before we dig in. So this is the cream cheese donut. This is the biscotti donut. And this is the pistachio donut. Yum, yum, yum. Let's taste them.
All right, I'm gonna go from simplest to most mess I'll make.
Dig in. Go savage on those.
I'm gonna go savage on it.
Let's
A little bit in there. There's nothing in it, I don't think. It's just the toppings. So.
First time trying Homer's Donuts. How does it compare to a Dunkin' Donuts or a Tim's or?
It's light, it's fluffy. Doesn't taste too pistachio-y. It would have been good if like the inside would have had that pistachio drizzle. It's a good donut, but it's not anything like blow your socks off. So
Okay, let's go on the next one.
next one. This one.
This one's got full of cookies.
I'll take from this side. All right, and again, no filling. So it's all the topping.
It's all crunchy. ASMR.
You taste the Biscoff a lot more than you do the pistachio. That was really good.
There you go.
Really good.
And last but not least,
Cheesecake. So this one actually does have a stuffing, and I think it was 50 cents more. And it's stuffed with cream cheese and blueberry?
cool.
I think so.
Okay.
This
Have a
is
bite.
gonna get messy.
There you go. Alrighty.
That's good stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. Like I said, if they would have done what they did with the cheesecake and had all of them with the filling, that would have been kick-ass. That's the superior donut.
Cream cheese.
Yep. It's creamy, it's sweet, tangy. Sweet, very sweet and tangy. But the donuts itself, really fluffy, really airy. It is something I'd recommend for you to go at least once just to try them, but I wouldn't go here every time I wanted a donut. It's expensive, and all it is really toppings on top of a plain donut. So it's cool to have. Try it out. Like and subscribe. See you on the flip side.